this video, I will show you 5 AI tools which will save your time. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1. If you are a content creator and want AI-generated voiceover, head over to this website. After signing in, choose your voice. You can change voice settings, like you can increase stability, clarity, and exaggeration. I would prefer V2 because it includes 28 languages. Here you can write your text and just click on Generate. Number 2. If you want to remove unwanted objects from your image, head over to this website. Drop your image, adjust the brush size, then paint over the objects that you want to remove, and just click on Clean, and here's your final image. Number 3. You can summarize big YouTube videos into a small paragraph, which is easy to understand. Head over to this website, paste the link of the YouTube video that you want to summarize. By the way, if you want to earn money with AI, I would suggest you to watch this video. Link is in the description. Now copy this link and paste it here and click Submit. Now this AI tool has created a short summary of the entire video with the time codes of all the topics mentioned in the video. Not only that, you'll get transcript. That means you will get the entire video as script along with the timeline for each sentence in the video. Now there is one more way to summarize videos. Simply go to the link and here just type sum, press enter, and your summary is ready. Now to make things even easier, there's also a Chrome extension that you can add to Chrome. If you got a YouTube, Vidrapid will be directly available here. Just click Summarize and you'll get the summary. Number 4. By just writing your text, you can create high-quality and realistic images with this AI tool. Write your text and click Generate. Choose your own style and content type, and you will have 3 options to choose from. Number 5. If you are bored out of simple fonts, add some amazing text effects to your fonts. Head over to their website, enter your text, and then describe the text effect you want, and just click on Generate. Choose your shape, font, and color, and here's your result. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video helped you a lot. Please hit the like button and subscribe our channel to get notified of our newly uploaded videos. Thanks for watching.